I don't know where the plates are.
shrimp.
Oh, here
On
we
the
go. Here we
shrimp.
go.
On the shrimp. I gotta put your hands.
Ah,
Hurry
ah, ah.
up!
Okay, I
The
got it. I
plate.
got it.
No
I got
rice.
it.
No rice. Just send the plate. No,
Where?
it's on the plate. It's already on one.
Okay,
Oh
okay,
my
those.
god.
Oh, those are the easy ones. Okay, here. Put them in the middle. Put them in the middle.
Jesus.
Put them in the middle.
And
I
then you
got you.
take the
Got you.
plate
Got you.
again.
Okay, okay.
Oh, Jesus Christ. I need some rice on this. It's not done.
I don't know how to get it. Oh,
The
that's
rice
why.
isn't done.
You took it off the stove too early. This is my rice section.
I didn't touch
Get on your
it.
side.
It's about.
I can't get it. Okay, I got it. Oh God, I'm having fire. Help me. I'm in fire. No, my restaurant is
can't.
burning.
I'm going
Oh
to.
God.
I got.
No! Oh God! It should burn the whole house down, dude! Oh, no!
I have to pee. I will be right back.
This is too hard. I don't like it. Oh God!
Even talk to you for a minute.
I don't like it. Oh, I'm not kidding. Oh God! It's a nightmare. It's a fucking nightmare.
I need that
Oh
clipped.
God!
Can you please
Oh
clip
God!
that?
Oh God!
And just mute me, because that probably sounds
Oh,
so stupid. That was the funniest thing I've ever experienced in my life. I'll be right back. Ever. That tops pretty much anything. I'll be right back.
oh God!